Oven's taken the day off, but my cravings? Working overtime. 1 mug, 5 ingredients, 0 judgment. Look at that sponge rise. Mary Berry would be shooketh. Ain't nobody building a campfire indoors, we're not that unhinged. Boom, British s'mores. Because we're classy and lazy. What do you get when a crumpet and a pizza have a cheeky midnight fling? A saucy, cheesy scandal. Ready in 60 seconds, no oven, no effort, no regrets. Lazy never tasted so legit. Comment your favorite microwave miracle, or don't. I'll be too busy snacking.